Easy try, live and direct from the Eiffel Tower, Paris. So today's tip is about making your own drum breaks. So pick a handful of nice drum sounds. Remember, it's all about the original source. Kick, snare, some hand drums, bongos, congas, hi-hats. Try and find these from different sources. Sequence them individually. Do some subtle processing, maybe some saturation, transient shaping. Make sure they haven't got too many effects on them already. Then bounce them into place as one signal, so it's like your own drum break. Put this back into a sampler and chop it up into MIDI. Resequence it. Process them again very, very subtly. Don't forget, don't go too heavy. And then repeat the process 2 or 3 times. You'll be surprised how resequencing them after chopping them up can bring something different to the table. Essentially, you're creating your own breaks. Peace.